Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kabir Considers. In this video, I'm going to react to the largest flash floods caught on camera. Now, a flash flood, I believe, is when, a huge amount of water just quite quickly and unexpectedly, just floods over an area. It must be really, really hard to predict these things and horrible to deal with, because water, once it gets into certain materials, if water gets into soil or building materials, it can just wreak a lot of damage. So I'm sure the financial cost of these can be quite high. So yeah, this video here is going to be quite an eye-opener to watch. So let's do it.
Flash floods are a powerful force of nature. Today we're doing the top 5 largest flash floods caught on video.
Oh my god. My goodness. Is that a river or is that literally just a flash flood? Because that looks like a river. Like, there's so much. Whoa! Oh my god. What is that? Oh my goodness. What is all this wood? How did that get there? What the hell? How did that get there? Oh my god. Yeah, that water isn't meant to be there. Oh my god, look how much bigger it is. Where did it come from? Is it... Whoa!
I'm so glad I parked at the front today. That's coming fast.
Oh my god. They should move these cars.
Could we move our cars out the front of the building and just go?
Oh my goodness.
Like, it's not going to take much.
They need to move those cars.
Because look at it, it's just coming fast.
Where's the water? Where's it coming from? Oh
look at these
no.
ones here, they're all moving. And even if they came now, they still couldn't get their cars.
No.
Oh my god.
Got it?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh. The car's sinking.
Oh my goodness.
The car's been washed away. Whoa.
Don't, oh mate, don't. Just let it go.
He's taking the air out of his
They've lost
tires.
their cars.
As soon as you do that, it floats down. It's 2 cars.
They've
So
lost
far.
their cars.
Oh no.
This is insane. I've
Don't-
not seen
don't.
anything like
Oh.
this
He's
before.
just ball. He's taken the
Air
air
out.
out of them.
There's another one.
Oh no.
That is unbelievable.
This is
See if he
mental.
can take his
Lucky. He is lucky, man.
Oh,
He saved his
lucky.
car.
Lucky.
Just. The rest of them are gone.
Jesus.
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Oh! I mean, what do you tell your insurance provider? My car got washed away. This is terrible. Do they cover this? Because it wasn't your fault. But then you lose your no claims bonus. Oh man.
Here you go, these ones. Something must be trapping those ones.
Our cars are right out
This
front.
is
Oh, I hope so.
insane.
Oh, here's- look at that,
no,
look at that.
another one. Completely sunk.
It's the silver one. No, it's not. It's another one.
Where did it come from?
I don't know.
Where are the owners of these cars? Get your cars and move them.
Oh, that is horrible.
Thousands and thousands of dollars just washed away. Washed away. So
There's a wheelie bin.
unfortunate.
Oh.
Oh my god.
So this car might have been saved by being pushed up.
I don't think you call that saved, Maggie.
Because even if your car isn't washed away, if the water gets into the engine, It's going to flood the engine, man. You're going to need some serious repairs on that car.
There's another one, look.
Oh my.
Now
So it's
coming
getting
underneath.
sucked under.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Where's it come from?
So
That would have been the cars that are parked up on the road.
up on the road, yeah.
Man, this is
So
terrible.
somebody had their cars here and they came.
Oh, the cars in the other car park are going to get hit now. I don't think it'd be the handbrake.
Oh yeah. The water's going to get underneath the bonnet here. It's going to get underneath the hood. This engine's going to be fucked.
It just be stuck on something. Like, see, these ones, they're going to get, they got to get through this. Whoa! You're right. Oh!
This is insane. Where is the water coming from? Where is it coming from? It can't just be rain, can it?
But it's unbelievable, Beth. Unbelievable. So, if you don't hear from me, then we've gone home.
Well, we've gone under.
Well, fortunately the rain has stopped.
This is
But there
unbelievable.
could be some more coming. I'm just going to check it. But,
I've heard Australia gets crazy weather and crazy wildlife and stuff, but this is mad. It started off so small and it's just become this gargantuan monsoon.
man, you wait till you see the photos. Dave will send them through to everybody in Brisbane. Yeah, so...
Man. Have you guys experienced something like this before? You know, you guys viewing this video, because I haven't. It looks like a dam has broken or something. Something that was holding back a large body of water has just broken and let the water rush through. Unreal. Unreal. So they recovered, these are the cars that they recovered, I think. I mean, how do you repair this? Like, all of the flooding. You're gonna have to take out the engine, aren't you?
We watched them come down here. It was absolutely sorry.
You're right.
Unbelievable.
Whoa! Whoa! Incredible. Incredible. This is huge. This is in India, right? This looks like the Ganges or something, man. Oh man, it's coming backwards. They're going to lose this crane. They're going to lose this digger. They're going to lose the car as well. They're going to lose that too. My goodness me. Unbelievable. Just waiting for the inevitable here. Oh my God! Oh my God! Where did it come from? Oh my word!
Be sure.
Oh my God. I mean, how I would be devastated if I'd parked my car at like a shopping center or shopping mall and I came back to my car and instead of seeing my car, I just saw like a new river and my car's nowhere to be found. The shock, the frustration, it would be overwhelming, absolutely overwhelming. The footage in this video was insane. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.